Hey everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. Have you ever right-clicked on your desktop only to realize the new folder option is missing? That can be really frustrating, especially when you just want to quickly organize your files. This problem usually happens when Windows' new context menu handler is missing or overwritten. It often occurs after installing software that modifies your desktop behavior, like fences, but sometimes it just disappears on its own. Don't worry, I'll walk you through two safe and easy ways to fix it. One manually using the Registry editor, and another using a simple one-click reg file. Before we begin, it's a good idea to create a backup or a system restore point. That way, if anything goes wrong, you can easily roll things back. Safety first. Let's start with the manual method so you understand exactly what's going on behind the scenes. Open your Registry editor. You can do this by searching for Registry Editor in the Start menu. Once it's open, navigate through the following path. HK classes root, then directory, then background, then shell X, and finally context menu handlers. Now, inside the context menu handlers folder, look for a key named new. If it's missing, that's our problem. We'll create it. Right-click on context menu handlers, choose new, then select key and name it new. Once the new key is created, click on it. On the right side, you'll see the entry named default. Double-click on it and set the value data to exactly this. You can copy and paste it directly to avoid typos. Then click OK. Now close Registry Editor. To apply the change, restart Windows Explorer. Open Task Manager using Ctrl-Shift-S key. Locate Windows Explorer. Right-click it and select Restart. Perfect. Let's right-click on the desktop again, and there it is. The new option has returned, and you can now create folders just like before. If you prefer an easier one-click fix, I've got you covered. You can use a simple registry file called restore-new-menu.reg. It's completely safe, and I'll show you how to make it. Open Notepad and paste in the following code. You'll also find this code in the video description. You can see the code in our conversation history. Now, go to File, then Save As. Change the file name to restore-new-menu.reg and make sure to set the Save As type to all files. Click Save to create the file. Once saved, double-click the file, accept the prompts to add it to the registry, and finally, restart Windows Explorer or reboot your PC. And that's it. You've successfully restored the missing New folder option on your desktop. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Zimist Coded for more practical Windows fixes, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.